me, Terry of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Okay, so I am doing a Vlogmas swap. If you've been following me along, then you know that I'm doing that. And I'm doing it with Valerie of Valerie's Cuddly Cat Crochet. I will link her channel below in the description box. And so Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, we are including in the swap, or the package that we unwrap, is a challenge kit that we're going to use the items in that kit to create something to donate to the Garfield Make-Along next summer when Amber of Ooh Ah Crochet has it. And so today is Saturday, and so it's time for another challenge kit. So let's open up box number 4 of Vlogmas, and we will see what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let me open it. Ooh. Okay, so we have an orange ball of yarn, okay, and another little envelope here. Let's see what's in here. It has a little snowman sticker on it. Oh, I guess I could show it to you. Oh, it's not focusing. There you go. So let's see what's in it. Okay. So in the envelope, oh, there are some safety eyes, and these are blue this time. Okay, some safety eyes and a clip to make a backpack buddy or keychain or something. So that's what I've got to use to create the next item. So stay tuned, and either by tomorrow, either by tomorrow or by Monday, I will have this, whatever this is going to be, created, and then I will show you what I make with it, because the next challenge kit will come out on Tuesday. Okay, so that is my Vlogmas swap package for today, for Vlogmas Day 4. Okay, and so the Christmas movie I watched yesterday was A Boy Called Christmas. It is on Netflix. I think it's a Netflix original. It's a new release or new movie, and I just got finished watching it. It is so cute. So if you have Netflix and you like Christmas movies, check it out, because I really enjoyed it. It's a feel-good movie, very, very cute. I really enjoyed it. Okay, so while I was watching that movie, this is what this is what I did. Okay, so this is the Scrappy Granny. This is the Scrappy Granny that I am making. I made this before. I have a crochet along that I did a couple of years ago, I think, and I have tutorials on how to do the parts for it and how to assemble it together. I will link those playlists below in the description box. I have both left-handed and right-handed versions. Okay, so basically what you do is you have two size squares, two small square grannies. I'm distracted because I heard Teddy scratching at the door a while ago. Okay, so you have 3 round grannies, and I made 4 of those this time. Okay, have not weaved in the ends yet. I like to do a group of several, so I have 4 of the 3 round grannies this time. And I worked on this while I was watching the movie, okay? And then I had 2 of them I went ahead and enlarged to the larger square, which are 6 round grannies, okay? Okay, so that's what I got done. Now, what I'm going to do next, before I go any further, I'm going to go back and weave all those ends in. See, I have all the ends that I haven't weaved in yet. So I will weave all of them in. Okay, and then I will edge them with the blue edging. I didn't bring it in here, it's in there, but I'm using a Lion Brand, I think it's Lion Brand, yeah. Pound of Love, or is that Karen? Whatever, it's Pound of Love. And the colorway is Bluebell, so that's what I'm using to border them or whatever. So I'm going around a single crochet round, and so I will go back and weave in the ends and then edge them with that blue, and then before I go on and create any more. Okay, so that's what I got done while I was watching the movie. And like I said, it was really good. I enjoyed it. Okay, so for the next movie that I'm going to be watching, okay, I'm going to be watching The Bishop's Wife. Somebody had commented if I had watched that, and no, I hadn't watched it. I know I believe there's a remake of it that had like Whitney Houston in it, I think, but the original has Cary Grant and Loretta Young and David Niven, and so I found that one on YouTube for free, and so I can link it below in the description box so you can watch it if you want to. And so that's what I'm going to be watching next, because I haven't seen it, and it said in the description, whatever, that was a Christmas movie. So I'm going to watch it. There was good review comments underneath saying it was really good and everybody enjoyed it. So I'm looking forward to checking that one out. So that will be the next movie that I'm going to be watching, okay? Follow along with me, like I said, if you want to watch them as well. Okay, so I will still be working, and I'll be still working on the squares and the Rhiannon, the like sun catcher ornament. See, I didn't work on that at all from, since yesterday. I just worked on the squares this time. Okay, let's see, what else? Oh, so what did I do today? Today's Saturday. I got up early, went to the post office because there was a package waiting for me, and so I picked up the package. So let's see what I got in the package, okay? So, Happy Mail. So this package is from Jonna, so thank you, Jonna, so much. I really appreciate you sending this package. She had messaged me and said she was sending me this, and she said she wanted to help me out with the Feel Better Friends dolls that I make, okay? So in the package, those other things in the package too, but let me show you the stuff for the Feel Better Friends doll first, okay? She did send me this wonderful Christmas card, beautiful Christmas card. It says, "At Christmas, some gifts can only be unwrapped with our hearts." It's so pretty. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then on the inside it says, "Wishing you God's blessings of love, joy, and peace to surround you this season and in the new year." And then she wrote this sweet little note. Thank you so much, Jonna. I love that card. Okay, so for the items that she gave me to help out with the Feel Better Friends dolls, she gave me some yarn. She gave me a Red Heart Super Saver in the colorway Erin, which is the color for the lightest skin of the different skin options that they can pick from when they request a doll, okay? So she gave me Erin. She gave me a skein of Red Heart Super Saver Buff, which is the next color in the set of colors, okay? And then she also gave me this one, which is the darker color. It's like the Red Heart Super Saver Coffee, but this is the mainstay version of it, which is perfectly fine. So I have 3 wonderful skeins of yarn that I can be using for the Feel Better Friends dolls whenever, when I get an assignment, and you get an assignment, and then there was like an application form that the people fill out requesting the doll, and they ask like for the eye color of the doll and for the skin color. They have different choices that they can pick, and so that's whenever I find out what the skin color choice pick is, or the one they picked, then I will be well equipped to whatever the choice may be to make the doll with it. So thank you so much, Jonna. I really appreciate you sending me that, really. And so also in the package was some of the wrapped gifts. Of course, I couldn't wait to unwrap them. So one of them was a packet of DMC, but it's Coats and Clark brand, but it's embroidery floss. Lots of different colors. So many colors. This is really good to use for if you have any detail stitching that you need to put on your work. Besides, of course, for cross stitch. This one has 36. Wow, it's got 36 different colors in here. It's awesome. And so in that package also there was some bobbins and a ring to put them on. That's what you use to wrap the floss on, okay? Which is awesome. I have one right now that I have wrapped around a, it was one of those skinny tubes that the little mini M&Ms come in. And so I had taken apart one of the, what do you call these? Are they skeins? I guess they're called skeins, right? Anyway, and I wrapped it around that mini M&M container, so I can use one of these bobbins and wrap that one up on that. Okay, so this was in the package. And then also there was some chocolate. There was some Russell Stover chocolate. And of course, that's already gone. Between me and my husband, we ate that. So that was really good. And then there's also these Ghirardelli peppermint, what's it called? Peppermint bark. They're like chocolate squares. Oh, not chocolate, but peppermint. And yeah, there's chocolate at the bottom. Anyway, so more chocolate, more candy. And then a can of this Purine, I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's like the wafers, and there's like chocolate Nutella in the inside. Anyway, they're really super good. So all that was in there, and then she sent me an ornament. I love this ornament. Let me show you. It came in this little zip bag. It's so cute. It's got a reindeer on it. Isn't that cute? And so it's made out of fabric, and it's a Christmas tree. Isn't that cute? And it's got the pinking sheer edging to it. And there's 2 layers, okay? And it is quilted. And it is, looks like there was interfacing or batting on the inside. And so, but it's all stitched together. Isn't that cool? And there's a star on the top of the tree. I love this ornament. It is so cute. So thank you so much. This will be going on my Christmas tree. When we get it up, we haven't got it up yet, but I think maybe we're going to get it down today, I think. But anyway, thank you so much, Jonna, for all this wonderful happy mail. I really appreciate it. The yarn that I can use for the Feel Better Friends dolls, and all these sweet little extras, the candy, the sweet, and the sweet ornament. Thank you so much. So that is my happy mail, and it's funny because so I went over there pretty early, because if you go later in the day, the post office is packed with people and you have to stand in line forever. And so I wanted to get out really early this morning, get over there early to pick up this package, because I knew this one was waiting for me. And so once I did that, then I went to had to get groceries. We were almost out. So I went and got groceries, and then I came home, carried everything in and put the groceries away, and fixed myself something for lunch, and then sat down at my computer getting ready to watch my Christmas movie, The Boy Called Christmas. And I happened to, I got a notification from USPS, the post office, and there's another box there now ready for me to pick up. So I did not get a notification before, but now it says there's another box there. So I will be going, today's Saturday, Sunday I won't be able to pick it up because it's closed. So I will go on Monday and go pick that package up and see what that is. So there, I love Happy Mail. It's great. So that's what I did so far today, and so let's see, what else is there to say? Oh, what's for dinner? Well, last night I did end up fixing burgers, and so today what's for dinner is I bought some boneless beef ribs. They're just like strips of beef, and I think I'm going to cook them in the Instant Pot. And then I bought some potatoes, some of the little like the new potatoes, you know, the little red ones that are about so big, and they're like in a mesh bag. These aren't red though, they're kind of a pale yellow, and I know that the skins on them are really thin. I don't know what they're called, if they're called gold something. I don't know if they're called Yukon Gold, but anyway, they're those little ones. Anyway, they look so good, and I was hungry for potatoes, so I'm going to fix those somehow. And I don't know what else, have some, you know, throw together some sides. So I think that's what we're going to have for dinner tonight. So yeah, I appreciate the comment that recommended me to watch The Bishop's Wife. So if you have any other Christmas movie suggestions, please give me links or you know, where I can find them, or tell me the names of them or whatever. Give me suggestions in the comments below, and I appreciate it. So I think that's it. So thank you for coming to visit for Vlogmas Day 4. Come back tomorrow and we will do Vlogmas Day 5. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.